Hey, what's up, everybody? Top of the morning to you on this Monday morning. I decided to get up, flip open my tablet, and go to my trading screen. I use Thinkorswim TD Ameritrade. Excellent platform. It's completely free. You can use, you can make as many trades as you want, depending on how much capital you have. There are no fees, so that's really good. So I've been trading off and on for a little while. I was mainly doing cryptocurrency, but I do know a little something about day trading. Compliments of my brother, Freedom Traders on YouTube. If you want to check him out, he's an excellent trader. He knows how to teach trading in a practical way. He doesn't complicate anything, and so that makes him an excellent teacher in my eyes. Okay, so I decided to trade today, and I started off by looking at the stock market watch, and that'll give you the gainers and the losers. That's going to be for the upcoming trading day. So I started last night. I was going through the list, and I seen what could be potential gainers, what could be potential losers. I don't trade losers. I like to trade gainers because it just makes sense and it's easier for me. You can make money both ways, but gaining, it just vibes with me. It just makes more sense to me. I like to see stocks going up as opposed to going down. I'll put it that way. So we do what's called technical trading. We don't fundamentally trade, meaning we don't look at the news when we trade. That might be a small percentage, but that's like 1%. The other is a 99% technical trading. So we trade based on the numbers, stock size, the volume that the stock has, and the plays that could be potentially done, the setups, the breakouts, whether the stock is going to break up or down. So we look for things like that. I don't have a lot of capital because I just don't, and my whole goal is to grow my account. So as you know, I'm real particular with the trades that I choose. So I got like a magnifying glass on my eye, but you just can't see. I gotta make sure I'm just making the right trade. So that's important. I mean, you can make money if you once you know what you're doing. Is very easy to make money. You just have to use your best judgment when it comes to picking the stocks, and even better judgment when it comes to actually buying. Because when you go live, you either win, you either make more money, or you lose money, and no one likes to lose money. So these are all risks that we take, and all these risks should teach you something, whether it be losing your money. What are you learning from losing your money, and what are you learning from gaining more? It's all a learning lesson at the end of the day. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm looking at. All right, so this is what my screen looks like. I'm using TD Ameritrade as my platform. This is an excellent trading platform. There's no fees involved. You can trade as much as you have capital. And once your capital gets depleted, you can't trade no more, obviously. So I have a small size capital, and so I'm just being truly particular with the trades that I choose, with the stocks that I choose. Like I said, we do technical analysis. We don't trade based on the news. I mean, maybe slightly, but it's mainly technical analysis. We look for different patterns that'll indicate whether the stock is going to break out or break down, break up or break down. Yeah, actually, the amount of volume that the stock has on that particular day, which is what we look for. So I have these 4 stocks up right now. And we have SINT, EVOK, IDEX, and SPCE. These are relatively good stocks. In each of these stocks, the volume was well over 1 million, which is an excellent indicator that you may want to take a closer look at that stock. I like stocks where the dollar amount is low. It's considerably low because you can invest a whole lot more, and your returns will be a lot more, but you're risking a good amount of money. But when there's no risk, there's no gain. So that's what I've learned. So today, while I'm trading these stocks, or while I'm watching these stocks, I went into 2 stocks. And I'll just give you my experience with these 2 stocks and what I learned from them. So the first stock that I invested in was IDEX, and I got in at like $2.90. And I'm not a real experienced trader, so of course there's going to be a little bit more fear attached when you're actually using your money as opposed to simulators money. So I invested that. I got in at $2.97. I'm sitting here watching it like a hawk, which is something that you should never do when you're trading. Don't watch your stocks like a hawk, because it just induces anxiety and fear. So that's just not a good idea. That's not a good move. So you invest your stock. You keep an eye on your P&L to see what your losses are, what your gains are, but don't watch it. It don't make no sense, because you're not gonna have a good experience like that. So by watching IDEX, I watched it, and I guess I got scared. I got anxious, and I said, "Oh my God, it was going down!" Like right here, I got in like over here somewhere, and it started to go down, and I got scared. And so I said, let me take my money out. And so I sold at market, and what the coincidence is that it went up. Like, seriously, it was a 60-cent gain, and I got out, and I could have made money. That's just a prime example of what you don't do when you're trading. Now let's flip it. Let's go to this one up here on top. We're going to go to SINT. I got out of IDEX and went to SINT and lost my money. Not all of it, but it started going down when I got in. So when I was in IDEX, it started going up, and I was gaining. But because I thought it was going to go down, I took my money, and then when I go to SINT, it starts to go down, and now I'm losing my money. I didn't lose that much money. I lost like $8, but it's a learning experience. It's what you do and what you do not do. So I'll learn that experience for when tomorrow comes at 9:30 and a new trading day starts. I'll know what to do, what not to do, and I'll be able to better control my fears. So I just wanted to give you guys a look at that. My experiences with trading. It can be very lucrative, or it can be painful. You can go broke. You just have to know what to do. My brother, his YouTube is Freedom Traders, and he's an excellent trader. Like he's really good, and I do admire him and his skill. So I use what he taught me, and I put that into practice. So I'll make more of these videos. I mean, I'm not sure if y'all see that many females that trade. I know we out there, but I'm here. So I'll be making more videos and showing y'all what I'm looking at, and we can all make money together. We can get this money together. That's it. That's what it's about. It's about getting this money together. Okay? So that's pretty much it. I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.